a month into the development of ChefMate, and I've already run into technical difficulties. What technical difficulties? Well, they have to do with click events, with HTML and CSS. Before I go on, you have to know what ChefMate is. And ChefMate is meant to be a catalog of categorized, illustrated recipes with some basic meal planning and diet planning capabilities. I started designing in late May, and things really took off in early June when I created a project on Replit, my IDE of choice. And I'm in this weird situation where I come from a game development background, so I can code, but I've been trying to get into web development these past 6 months, and I started with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and the problem mostly has to do with click events in HTML. Some of the icons, like the recipe icon, doesn't work because of how I set up the CSS, and so HTML and CSS is a real pain to work with. And I took Brocode's free React course on YouTube to learn React, obviously, the popular UI library, in an attempt to work on the MVP. And I think I might have to use Google Sites, but yes, you can gargle to work on the prototype. This why not? It's the easiest way so far, and it's just a prototype, so for all I care, I could use a pencil and some paper. But the MVP and demos will have to use React. I chose Replit over VS Code because I at least thought I'd work on ChefMate across different devices, and I didn't want to go through the hassle of installing and setting up VS Code on each device. But now that I'm switching to React to Google Sites, I don't think that's much of a problem. In the end, what matters is that this demo comes out ASAP to potential I at least thought. Anyway, thanks for listening to this short devlog/update.